Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually create avatars on Facebook. So if you want to manually create avatar on Facebook, here is a easy guide or a quick way on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook app on your phone. Once you open it, tap on the three-line icon at the right hand part of the screen. From there it takes you down to the menu, then tap on the gear button at the top. Then from there, give some few seconds to load up the page. Then tap on see more in account center, tap on it, then tap on the profile name, tap on the profile again, then tap on avatar. Then from there you tap on create manually. So from here you have to configure the avatars on how you want it to be. So just first start with the skin tone, tap on any skin tone of your choice. Then once you do that, then head over to next. Then from here you can select the hairstyle of your avatar if you want. Once you do that, tap on next. Then you can select the face shape if you want. If you want to increase the width, also want to check, do you want the cheek to be fullness or you want the jaw size, you just want to configure the face shape, you can do that from here. Or one more shape, you can tap on see all, then select any one of your choice. Tap on this, just tap on any one of them, then tap on next. Then you can also select the body type. Once you tap on it, then you can tap on save and continue, and that is how to create Facebook avatar manually. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.